Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to look at an alternative way of bustling your wedding dress train. You can see my other video which shows you how to tuck the train under the dress with a series of ribbons, and today we're going to look at bringing the train over the top of the skirt and attaching it with a brooch. This is a particularly lovely idea because you can use something from your family. This is something that you can do yourself. You don't need a seamstress. I would recommend asking around in your family. Maybe your mum, maybe a sister, maybe your granny might have a beautiful brooch you can use. Needs to be relatively sharp. Let me show you how to do it. In this skirt we have a petticoat underneath and there are several overlayers of skirt, the top one being organza. So however many layers there are in the train, you need to group all of those layers together in order to get the train bustled away. And this is for dancing in the evening. So I would recommend to get hold of the train around about knee level and simply bring it up to the waist. This creates a very simple bustle. Now I've demonstrated with a pin, but you'll just need to use your brooch and make sure you get the prong through all of the layers and the bustle is done. Do leave me a comment and let me know what sort of train you've got on your dress and whether you have any other questions about bustling the train up in the evening. It is really nice to be able to wear a train, but it is lovely to be able to dance, especially on your wedding day. So I would recommend thinking ahead of the wedding what you can do with the train to make sure if you get to the point where actually you don't want it trailing around behind you, you have some way of bustling it up. If you watch my other video about bustling the fishtail skirt, I show you also about having a wrist loop and just an alternative way of bustling your train. But I think this method works beautifully, and if you have a full skirt, I would highly recommend it.